Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. In this video, we will see how to track panel expand as well as collapse events. So first we learned about this is not tree view, accordion control. So we learned about accordion as well as a TitledPane. Then we saw how to add TitledPane dynamically to the accordion control. Now we will see how to track panel expand as well as a collapse event. So when we are tracking, if you see, when user clicks this, at present it is in collapsed state, right? Panel 3 will get expanded, and when user clicks the same pan, it will get collapsed. All right, now let's state that user clicked this, panel is expanded, and now this time if user directly goes and clicks this panel, then already opened panel will get collapsed and this one will get expanded, right? So we will track those and list the panel expand as well as a closed one here in this text area component. So in the initialize, if you see, accordion C, expanded pan property, so that's the one we are using. So the expanded pan property tells you which pan is currently in expanded state. So we use that property and track the event based on add listener. So let's consider that at present the third panel is in expanded state, and let's state that user is clicking this specific panel. So panel 2, panel 1, right? So for the first time when user clicks this, expanded pan property will hold the value of 3, and when user clicks this one will get collapsed and this one will get expanded. So expanded pan property will hold the value of 1. So that's the change in property, right? Previously the property held panel number 3 or the third pan, third TitledPane. Now since user collapsed it and expanded panel 1, the property will hold a new value. So here we are equipping a listener to this specific property. So any property you can put a add listener and track for change listener. This is a change in the property value, old value, and this one is the new value. So we can use it for anything. In our previous example we used this for choices, a scroll bar. For any property you can use the change listener and track the change in property value. So the same technique here we are using accordion control. The property what we are tracking is expanded pan property. We are adding the listener and we are equipping the change listener to it, right? The moment you add change listener, it will ask you to override the changed method here, and changed method will receive old value as well as new value. It's a property change, right? Like already told, we get old and new value. So we will use these two values to report which pan is expanded and which one is collapsed. So first here we are forming a string pan event data. If old value not equal to null, then here we are stating that pan collapsed old value dot get text /n, then /n is to add content in a new line. So each time the reported event will appear in a new line. Alright, here pan collapsed, and which pan, that's what are the old value to get text. Get text means, say for example, if about the person is collapsed, this is what you will get about the person here. Alright, so then if you see, we have one more check. If new value also not equal to null, then we state that pan expanded, and we are displaying the pan name here using the new value dot get text. So in both the case, if you see, we are accessing the TA report pan events. So this is the PA report pan events. We already made an fxml entry. So we created this in the scene builder as control ID. Then we made a fxml entry, and here we are using it. All right, TA report pan event dot append text, and whatever text we formed, that we are passing here. Right, now we will go to demo and see how it works. Alright, in our previous video we implemented this add button click event. Now we want to handle the accordion controls property change event. So here we are using the initialize method, and if you see, accordion control already have an fxml entry, and this one is coming from. So during the design time itself, so this is the accordion, right? Accordion C, that's the fx ID we gave, and we made an entry here, and that's what we are going to use now. So just copy pasted the code. Okay, JavaFx bean value, observable value, override. We will visit that later. First we will import JavaFx beans value change listener. That's all. Add listener, and if you see, this is a anonymous inner class technique. Add listener, new change listener, and the add listener requires a change listener. So we are creating the new change listener, and since we are opening the bracket, we are defining the required override method defined here inside. All right, now we will rebuild this and run the sample. So all are in collapsed state. Now I am expanding about the person, and you can see pan expanded about the person, and if I click here, it will get collapsed. Pan collapsed about the person. Pan expanded contact info. Now if I directly click this, we know that accordion pan will show only one view at a time. So since I am clicking custom pan here, it will collapse contact info and expands a custom pan. So you will be seeing two entry in the tracker. If you see, pan collapsed contact info, pan expanded is a custom pan. Pan collapsed, custom pan, and expanded is a contact info. Right, that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.